Hello, my name is Ravi Patel, and today we are going to talk about an amazing gadget, the Insta360 X4. If you are a traveler, content creator, or technology lover, this camera is ready to win your heart. Let's take a closer look at its features and performance. The Insta360 X4 has a very compact and stylish design. This device is lightweight, which means you can easily carry it wherever you go. Moreover, its build quality gives you confidence that it will last a long time. Friends, the Insta360 X4 offers 5.7K resolution 360 degrees video recording, keeping your memories alive and vivid. Additionally, its FlowState Stabilization ensures ultra-smooth videos, whether you are capturing adventure shots or dynamic movements. This camera includes TimeShift, auto-tracking, and AI-powered editing, allowing you to easily create professional-looking videos. If you are into vlogging or making short videos, this is the best option for you. The Insta360 X4 is waterproof up to 10 meters. So, whether you are diving or shooting on a rainy day, this camera has got you covered. Plus, the battery life is excellent, lasting long after a single charge. Friends, the Insta360 X4 is a powerful device that every content creator can rely on. Its features, quality, and performance make it one of the best options in any price range. If you'd like to purchase it, click on the link below. For more reviews and tech updates, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We will meet again soon with another exciting gadget. Jai Hind. Vande Matram.